Y'all, I recently bought this Apple brand leather cleaner and conditioner kit. It's really great for leather and handbags, shoes, boots, anything that you've got made out of leather. It's really nice to clean the leather, and it also is great to add moisture to your leather products. It brings back new life and makes them look like new again. This little kit came with everything you need to clean your products. You have your leather cleaner, the leather conditioner, and a handy cloth to do it with. Here I'll demonstrate on this nice leather glass case that I've got and just show you how well it works. The conditioner helps to replenish the natural oils found in leather and prevent cracking, drying, scratching, and splitting. If you've got some dry leather, this will really help it, I promise you. Just look at the difference in the one side and the other. It really does make everything look nice. It cleans and conditions all types of leather, including luxury leather and vachetta leather, and other different varieties of exotic leathers. So far, all of the Apple brand products I've used to clean my leather and protect them, I've really loved. So I definitely give this Apple brand leather care kit a 10 out of 10 for all your leather care needs.